feathering is interfering with the basic pattern. Let's go back to square blade. Lois a little quicker to the water. In time with the seat. Good, now with less force. It's more a matter of timing than it is effort. That was good. Let's go ahead and feather, Mimi. Same quality catch, and then a smoother release. Back to square. I like the simplicity of square blade rowing. And I like how much faster it seems to pick the boat up. Again, time the blade with the seat. Seat's rolling. Don't stop the seat to place the blade. It's almost the opposite. Place the blade to stop the seat. With the feather. And square. And Mimi, we can keep alternating between feather and square with 5 strokes or so.